Hi there, my lovelies. Welcome back. So today we're going to make fermented cheese. We're going to make a fermented vegan chèvre or a goat cheese ish. We're going to use cashews. And before you ask me, oh my god, cashews, I know, but cashews are the best in terms of taste and texture. It's really neutral and will, how can I say that? It will aggiungere. I have the word in Italian in my head. I don't know why. It will keep all the flavors better together, if you know what I mean. So it's really round and it's really neutral. So this is a good reason why I'm going to use cashews, to which I have soaked overnight because I want it extra smooth. All right, and then we're going to put it in a powerful blender. If you don't have a powerful blender, you use a food processor. But I mean, it's not that necessary. That's those powerful blenders like that cost a lot of money. I mean, no. I mean, use your blender. Then, if it needs to, you blend it a little bit more, or just gonna deal with a little bit more grainy chèvre, which is perfect because chèvre is a little bit more grainy. And we're going to add to that white pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, nutritional yeast. I have a recipe for my homemade nutritional yeast substitute. I'm gonna leave it on a card right there. Apple cider vinegar and the probiotics. Some water. Then you blend, okay? Blend to the smoothness of your like. I mean, it can be a little bit more grainy. It's also super delicious, or it can be super smooth. But if it's super silky smooth, it's going to be super difficult to make the log shaped. That's the one that I'm going for. But if you prefer, you can keep it in a small ramekin, in a small jar, and that's fine too. And then you put it in a cheesecloth. And then you tie it up, and then you put in a colander and put it in. I put it in my oven because I know it's safe there, and I know it's a closed compartment that is going to be a little bit warmer to the rest of the house. And I left it there for 2 days, and then I checked, so it needed another day maturing and fermenting. So in total, I left it there 3 days, okay? However, please pay attention to this part. This is super, that's crucial. Everything that you use to make the cheese, it has to be clean and sterilized, because we're going to multiply the good bacteria from the probiotics. And if you leave bad bacteria, as in the dirt, or if it's not disinfected, those bad bacteria are going to proliferate. And then we don't want that. So it's going to be bad. It's going to be bad. It's not going to be good. So you're going to have to throw it away. And I was going to say something else. Okay, so plastic and glass. Don't use metal, okay? And here I have my cheese. So I'm going to open it. It smells really fermented. It firmed up a little bit. Don't you just love it? I am in love with it. And of course, you're asking yourselves if I'm not going to taste it. I so will. It melts in your mouth. It's like you're eating a piece of cloud. Mm. And you can taste the fermented taste. It's like super, there's the zing, you know, the zing that we're always looking for in cheeses. Amazing, I love it. And if you ask yourself, oh my God, you're a vegan, why you want to eat cheese? You got to give up on cheese. I mean, the way I see it, it's like if you're in a bad relationship and then you break up with this person, you still miss this person for a while, but you know it's toxic for you. It doesn't mean that you're going to get back together. So it's the same with dairy and meat. I mean, you miss the taste and it's okay, but it doesn't mean that you're going to get back to it because it's harmful for you and for the animals. That's the way I see it. It's perfectly okay to miss things and people, but it's not necessary to have it in your life if it's not good for you. So this is something to think about. And then see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button so you get notified every time I make a video. And if you want to support my channel, check on my Patreon. I'm going to leave it over there. And to my patrons, thank you. And I see you next time. And until then, bye.